Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes MeTV as part of its channel lineup? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you whether you can enjoy classic shows and movies on MeTV through YouTube TV. If you're a fan of nostalgic programming, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, MeTV is not included in YouTube TV's standard package or any of its add-on options. This means you won't be able to access MeTV's popular lineup of classic TV shows and movies directly through the YouTube TV platform. MeTV specializes in beloved programs like MASH, The Andy Griffith Show, and Perry Mason. But due to licensing agreements, it hasn't been added to YouTube TV's channel offerings. If MeTV is a must-have for you, there are alternative ways to watch. You can use an antenna to pick up MeTV over-the-air broadcasts for free in many areas, or check if your cable provider includes MeTV in their packages. Additionally, some streaming devices or apps may offer MeTV as part of their live TV or on-demand options. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV includes MeTV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.